We're back at Jay's, and one of the more trickier cartons that we always have to use is a mirror carton, and that's for putting your mirrors and your pictures in there safely, so when they're transporting they don't get messed up on you. So we've got a mirror carton here. A mirror carton comes with a top and a bottom, or an inner and an outer, and we'll get to that later, what the inner and the outer means. But we're also here with Ashley, and she's going to tell us how we should put one together. Okay, Ashley?
Perfect. We'll start with the inner.
Okay.
It should be labeled on the bottom.
Inner carton?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Just open it up. Little flaps in.
Little flaps in?
Yeah.
And then down to cover?
Yeah.
Now, is there a certain way that we want to put this carton together?
The way we tape it is we tape it 3 times. 1 in the middle and 2 on the edges.
Oh, okay.
And then we also go lengthwise. We go lengthwise twice.
We go twice lengthwise.
Yeah.
And again, this adds for stability all along the bottom of the carton?
Right. Yeah.
Oh, okay, great.
So you can evenly hold the weight without ripping.
Perfect. Okay, now we're going to set up the bottom.
We'll open it up. We just put some crushed paper in the bottom.
And this, again, this is to give support.
Just to cushion
the
the
blow.
picture or the mirror.
Okay, and we do have a picture today. Couple labs, my favorite.
So we'll slide it in.
Okay, now here comes the secret, right?
Right. So we'll grab a little bit more crushed paper. And we'll go down just the sides and not the front. So we don't want any paper touching the front of the picture or mirror.
And why don't we want that?
If we put paper in the front, it usually results in bubbling the box. And then once it's loaded into the truck, the pressure will either wreck the painting or break the mirror or glass.
Okay, so there's a very important rule on the mirror carton. Nothing in the front, just along the side.
And then we will grab the sides and we just pinch it so it folds.
Okay, and then
We'll throw a piece of tape.
having fun with our tape this afternoon.
There we go.
Okay.
The other side.
And then again, we want to get the tape on there first and then squeeze.
Yeah.
Am I doing that right?
We'll squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Oh, there we go.
Perfect. And if the picture were to be sitting up higher, we would just pinch the top sides and we'll tape around the top.
Oh, okay.
That'll just help keep the picture stable as opposed to rocking back and forth. when you
Moving
pick it
inside
up.
the
Yeah.
carton. Makes total sense.
So we'll just tape it like that.
So now we've stopped the picture from moving inside the carton up and down
Yeah.
and to the right and to the left.
So it's nice and sturdy
Yeah,
in there.
it's nice and sturdy in there.
And then we'll grab our outer carton. I usually just tape it twice in the middle
Okay.
to start. And we'll flip it. And I usually just put a couple pieces of crushed paper in the top. And that'll just protect the frame.
The top
Or
of the
the
frame
painting,
from when
yeah.
the carton goes down on the top.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then we'll flip it.
Now this is where the inner and the outer came. Is the outer is thicker and
slightly
wider,
wider, yeah.
and it'll go right over top of the inner. giving a lot more support to the carton.
And then so the reason I only taped it once in the middle is we tape on both sides once around.
Okay. Switch sides. There we
Just
go.
like that.
And now this picture is safe to travel. You can move it and not have to worry about any damage to your valuable artwork.